treating my hair with some nice, beautiful aloe vera leaf. So in my previous video, I had showed you guys how I made the hair mask. So I did it before, but now I have a blender, so it's kind of gonna be better. So stay tuned. I know I'm looking crazy, but anyway, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please support your girl. I'm a small YouTuber. I do vlogs, I do hair tutorials, I'm doing like a lot of food videos, so, and I'm doing like this weight loss journey that I'm still on and off of. But my postpartum, you know, I just had 2 kids and, you know, trying to get this belly looking tight. So yeah, so let's get to this hair mask. I really wanted to do it last night, but being that I didn't get a chance to, I had to put it in the refrigerator. And so what I did was mix the egg and aloe vera leaf in here. I used 2 aloe vera leaves, and yeah, so it came out pretty lovely. I'm going to show you a close-up one soon. But okay, enough of the talking. Let's get to this hair mask. Ooh, this is cold. Ooh. So right now, all of my hair, I'm just getting it really good in my scalp. And then I'm going to comb it out a little bit more. Detangle. Look at that. Super detangled right here. Like, wow. 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 Look at that. Look at those curls. My curls just reverted back. Look at that. Okay, you guys, so I detangled my hair and it feels nice. I'm gonna let it sit in my hair for like maybe like 15, if my child don't wake up, maybe 20 minutes or so. But I like how it feels, and my curls just popped a bit. You see that? Ew. Do you see the curls? Let's pause for a minute. Let's think these curls are coming back. Let's think the aloe vera. Thank you. Hurry up before my daughter wakes up, and let this sit in my hair and then rinse it out. Okay, you guys, so it's been about 15 minutes and it's time for me to wash this out. It's dripping, so let's rinse and wash this with some warm water, and let's see the results. So it's all rinsed out of my hair. I'm going to let it dry, air dry for a little bit, and my hair feels super clean. There's nothing in it. I might just put some coconut oil in my hair and my scalp just a little bit and go. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button, and here goes some more videos right up here, and more videos will be coming up soon. So Thank you guys.
Thank you.